In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons in Wix, an incredibly versatile platform for building and designing websites. We'll take you through this step-by-step guide, making sure that you'll be able to add customized buttons to your site in no time. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to wix.com. If this is your first time visiting the site, you'll need to create an account. But if you've already joined the Wix community, simply log in using your existing credentials. You can do this by entering your email and password, or you can use your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple account to log in quickly and securely. Once logged in, you will need to access your Wix website editor. This is your control room where all the magic happens, and where you should see a list of your currently active projects. Click on the website you want to edit, and this will take you right into the editor. Now that you're in the Wix editor, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu of different tools and features you can use to customize your site. Locate the option labeled Add Elements. This section is where you'll find all sorts of features you can add to your web pages, including the crucial buttons we'll be focusing on today. Clicking on Add Elements will drop down an entire menu of options. From there, navigate to the button category. This is where things get interesting. You'll find a variety of button types to choose from, including themed buttons, text buttons, and icon buttons. Each has its own distinct appearance, letting you pick the one that fits best with your site's style. Once you've decided which button suits your needs, it's time to add it to your page. Wix makes this incredibly easy with its drag and drop functionality. Click on your chosen button and drag it to the desired location on your page. You can move it around, align it, and position it until it looks just right. After placing your button, you can now dive into customization. Click on the button and you'll see an option to customize design. This feature allows you to tailor the button's appearance, including its text, size, color, font, and even border styles, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your site's aesthetic. Feel free to play around with these settings until you're satisfied with the look. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a button on your Wix webpage. It's simple yet powerful, enabling you to enhance your website's functionality and user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Wix tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your site.